Let's do the Leetcode question, product of array except self. This is a medium question. We are given an array nouns and need to return an array answer such that each index I is equal to the product of all the elements of nouns except the nouns I itself. What it means is that we need to return this array. For example, 24 is equal to 2 times 3 times 4. 12 is equal to 1 times 3 times 4. 8 is equal to 1 times 2 times 4. And you get the idea. And what made this question is a medium question is that we must write an algorithm that runs in O(n) time and without using the division operation. Now, let's look at the return answer. 24 is equal to the subarray of the last 3 elements. 12 is equal to the first element times the last 2 elements. And then 8 is equal to the first 2 elements times the last element. 6 is equal to the first 3 elements. So you can see the pattern here that we can easily have the subarray 1 and subarray 2, which we can say this is prefix and this is suffix. Now, as we have the prefix, we start from the second element and it's equal to the product of all the elements before it. 1 is equal to just the first element as itself, but the third element is equal to 2 times 1 times 2, and then 6 is equal to 1 times 2 times 3. The suffix is starting from the last second element and is equal to the element, the product of all the elements after it. So 4 is equal to the last element, and then 12 is equal to 3 times 4, and then 24 is equal to 2 times 3 times 4. And I'm implement the code in Python. We have prefix, suffix, and result as a 3 variables, and the length is equal to the length of the nouns. We define the prefix product is going to be the first element, and then we have the for loop starting from the second element to the last element. So while inside the for loop, we accumulate the product of the prefix. So same as the suffix, we define the suffix product as the last element, and then we have another for loop that starting from the last second element to the first element. And this is O(n), this is O(n), and this complexity is also O(n). So overall, the time complexity is O(n).